Hello, what's up guys? How are you doing everyone? Hope you're doing great. So today I'm gonna teaching you, or I'm gonna be showing you how to check or how to show your Wi-Fi password if you accidentally forgot this one and you don't have someone. So this is for you guys. Actually, it's just simple ways. There are two ways. So the first one I'm gonna be showing you. So first, go to your network or your internet icon settings here at the lower right of your taskbar. Right click, then click this open network and internet settings, and then go to network and sharing center, and then here on this window you can see the network with which I'm connected to. So click this Wi-Fi link, and then here click wireless properties, and then under the security tab here you can see the security type, the encryption type, and here the Wi-Fi password. Click this one and boom, voila, Washington. You can leave it unchecked or check, whatever you want. It's up to you guys. So this one. So the second one, I guess you don't need this one, but anyway, I'm gonna teaching you different ways. Just go ahead into the control panel, and then network and internet, network and sharing center, same thing. Click this one, change adapter settings, and see here you can see all the local area connections your computer have. So this one I'm connected to a Wi-Fi too, so I'm gonna click on it, right click and click status, same thing, wireless, security, and boom. That's it guys. Hope you picked something for today, new knowledge. So don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and boom.